Hi guys, Toy Junkie here. Just had the delivery through from, well, via eBay. I'm going to have a little look, see what's in here. I've ordered quite a lot of stuff off eBay recently. So let's have a look, see what it is. So what have we got here? We've got a load of majorettes. Don't know which one this goes with. Does that go on that one? You could go with that one, or you could go with this one. Sure. I think I'm going to put it with that one. I think it's meant to be with that one. But because this one's such a tub, stick it on there and it kind of goes. That's nice. So yeah, we've got 3 Majorette pickups. This one's got the bull bars on the front. Actually, I don't think they're called bull bars. Maybe somebody will know what they're called. It might be called bush bars. Are these called bush bars? Love the paintwork on it. I love the different colours. Little caravan, removable caravan on the back. Nice suspension at the front, virtually none at the back. What we got here? Scale is 180. Made in France. I think these will be all identical. I think they're all built about the same sort of time. Won't be any variations. Almost looks like a larder at the front, doesn't it? And there's a one with its winch. Obviously it hasn't got the cable and hook on it anymore. That's quite nice. Actually got a few more of these. Let's just have a little look. Oh no, I've got one more. A fire engine one. One that I restored some time ago. The thing is, at the time when I restored it, I didn't have any glass. So it's got the original glass that was all smashed on it. That's one that I restored. Oh, it's a fire truck one. Has that got the same front grille? Oh no, they've got different grille. They've got different grills on there. The rest of the vehicles are pretty much the same, apart from the back end. Maybe I could take one of these apart and put the glass into that one, make it look like a nice fire engine again. So there we go. There's my little haul of eBay Majorette pickup trucks. Thanks for watching. Bye.